Nkechi, Bisola, Hawa, Edidion, Gabriela. You see that rice you want to cook? That rice you want to cook. Don't cook it until you watch this video to the end. Do not cook that rice. That very rice you want to cook now. Don't cook it until you watch this video to the end. After watching this video, you will be forced to rush to the market now, get some vegetables, and prepare this vegetable sauce, plantain and white rice. Normally, we get garden for our house, so if we want to cook anything, we will just enter the garden, cut the kind of leaf we want to use, and cook what we want to cook. So, as you can see, now the plantain are the fry. So, now all the ingredients we are going to need to make the sauce, now be this. You see this sauce? Hell, this sauce was out of this world. You can see I don't put onions. I can't put fresh tomatoes and pepper. Now, so I can't add my seasoning. As it don't cook, before I add seasoning, can't add crayfish, add my soy sauce, add oyster sauce, add all the edible. Now, so I can't stir them. I stir them. I make sure say the thing cook well. As it cook well, now him I can't test whether everything done there okay. I can't add the egg. As I pour the egg, I can't let them stay small. Now, so I can't stir them. Okay, I can't stir them. I wanted to make it with a scrambled egg, but I say no. Let me do it like this. Oh my God, oh my word. You know what? Make sure you watch this very video to the end and hear what my mother, and my niece has to say about this very dish. Oh, Chineke, Lucy can actually cook. Lucy can cook, sha. Yes, now the vegetable I don't add so. This now green leaf. You can see say so I know say some of them I know they like make on a leaf big when they slice, and me if I want cook sauce I they like make the leaf big. If they only me want eat this sauce, I for not even slice the vegetable at all. But because my male and my niece want chop, now it make me con slice and left for me. I know they two slice my vegetable when I want cook sauce. I they like them big man. They see them in a chunk form, so that I go eat them. It go enter my body. So I don't add salt to taste. Okay. This food was very sweet. Oh, wow, delicious. Go check this out now. Check this out. Our white rice, vegetable, and plantain is ready. I don't know how the thing they be for my body if I want eat rice and plantain no day. And I don't know again. I don't know whether they use vegetable do me. Should they use vegetable do me? Everything I want cook, vegetable must be there. If vegetable no day, they enter my body. She has finished her own. See, I'm not like this. I'm just. Mama, how is it?
Mom.
Oh. Yes, sir. My mama can confirm. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby.